I entered the room. I checked for scene safety. Scene is safe. There are no hazards. I'm happy to approach. I draw the curtains for patient privacy. And as my hands are visibly clean, I'm going to use the alcohol hand gel. Ample amount, that's palm to palm, palm over the dorsum, fingers interlaced, fingers interlock, thumb rotation, tips of the finger, wrist to elbow, and allow my hands to dry for 30 seconds. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
This is Saima. I'll be your nurse looking after you today. How are you? May I know your full name, please?
Edward Bunting.
Edward Bunting. Okay, Edward. What would you prefer to be called?
Edward.
Edward. Edward, do you mind if I confirm your details with your ID band and the?
Go ahead, please.
Okay. So your full name
Edward Bunting.
and your date of birth.
4/7/1944.
Okay, and your hospital number is 0046678. Okay. Edward, do you have any allergies?
Yes.
To what?
Penicillin.
To penicillin. And what reaction do you get from penicillin?
Rashes.
Rashes. Okay. So Edward will make sure that we don't give you any product containing penicillin while you are here in the hospital. Is that okay?
Is okay?
Okay. Edward, as I said earlier, I'm here to give you your medicine for 2 o'clock. And is this the right time for you to take the medicine?
Yes.
You comfortable now?
Yes.
Do you need to use the toilet?
No.
No. Are you in pain?
Yes.
Okay, so you are having a pain. If I give you a pain score of 0 to 10, where 0 means no pain at all and 10 means the highest pain, where would you score it?
3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you need some medications for this or you can manage it?
If there is, I'll.
If there is. Okay. All right. I will just go and check your prescription, and if you have any medication, I will give it to you, or else I will escalate to the doctor.
All right.
Okay. Before I go and get the medicines needed, here is the call bell. In case you need me, you can just press the buzzer. Okay. Thank you. Okay. I will just review my chart. I'll gel my hands first as I have touched the patient. So the prescription is for Edward Bunting. Date of birth is 28/3/1944. Hospital number is 0046678. Edward Bunting, 28/3/1944, 0046678. Information is correct. The details are correct on all the pages. Okay. I'll just review the prescription first. Admission date and time is today at 9 a.m. Ward is cardiology unit. Patient address is no need address because it's inpatient. Okay, patient is allergic to penicillin, rashes. Doctor signature Dr. Mohammed. Bleep number is 4321. Date is today. And patient has special dietary requirements is low salt diet and diabetic diet. Patient height is 5 foot 10 inches. Weight is 70 kgs. We'll start with the very beginning once only and start doses. Date is today. Time is 9 o'clock. Drug name is glycerol trinitrate. Dose is 400 microgram. Route is SL. What is SL? Sub-Q?
Which one?
Sublingual. SL is sublingual. Doctor prescriber signature is Dr. Mohammed. Bleep number is 4321. Are given by RN Finn Joy. Checked by RN Show Dennis. Time given was 9:15 today. The next one is date is today. Time is 9:05. Drug name is morphine sulfate. Dose is 10 mg. Route is IV. Prescriber name is Dr. Mohammed. Bleep number is 4321. Given by RN Finn. Checked by RN Show. Given at 9:15. And the next one is oxygen therapy. Date is today. Time is 11 o'clock. Doctor is Dr. Mohammed. Bleep number is 4321. The oxygen, if it's targeted oxygen saturation range is more than 94%. If oxygen saturation falls below 94, we need to give him oxygen through nasal cannula at 3 liters. So I need to confirm it with the assessor. Assessor, could you please give me the recent reading for the oxygen saturation?
95%.
95. Okay, so there is no need for oxygen. It's a good range. And next is PRN medication. Date is today. Drug name is cocodamol. Dose is 30/500 mg. 2 tablets. Route is per oral instruction 4 to 6 hourly. And prescriber is Dr. Mohammed. Bleep number is 4321. Patient is having pain. If he doesn't have anything in the regular medication, I can give him cocodamol. The next one is morphine sulfate is 10 mg. Route is per oral instruction 4 hourly. Dr. Mohammed. and the bleep number is 4321. It's a valid prescription, but morphine has some sedation, so I would prefer giving him cocodamol if it's not there in the regular medication. Antimicrobials, there is nothing in the antimicrobials. No medication, no antibiotics in the antimicrobial section. The next one we have regular medication. This is furosemide. Drug name is furosemide. Date is today. Dose is 40 mg. Frequency OD per oral. Duration 5 days. The time is 10 o'clock. Start date is today. Finish date is +4. 4 days. Doctor is Dr. Muhammad. Bleep number 4321. It's not for my time. The next one is digoxin. Drug is digoxin. Date is today. Dose is 125 microgram. Frequency OD. Route is per oral. Duration 5 days. Start dates today. Finish dates +4 days. It's for 1400 hours. And doctor's signature bleep number is Dr. Muhammad. Bleep number 4321. It's a valid prescription and I have to give him digoxin. But before that, I need to confirm with the assessor. Assessor, could you please give me the heart rate of the patient?
60.
60. And the blood pressure?
140/80.
140/80. So I'm not going to give this medication because the heart rate is 60. It's at the borderline, right? So I cannot
This
give
one is less than 60.
You said 68.
I said 60.
60. Okay.
Continue.
So 60 we can
When
give.
you finish, continue.
Okay. So for this heart rate is 60. I'm not gonna give this medication because heart rate is less. I have to code it. I will code it as 2, omitted for a clinical reason. The next one is drug is Ramipril. Date is today. Dose is 10 mg. Frequency is OD. Route is per oral. Duration is 5 days. Started date is today. Finish days +4 days. Doctor's signature and bleep number is not there. It's due for my time, but doctor's signature and bleep number is there, so not there. So it's an invalid prescription. I have to code it as 6 because it's incomplete. The next one is IV fluid therapy. There is nothing at this time. Okay, so for now I have to give the patient only cocodamol. I have to code digoxin.
Don't bother to write. just say that you are writing.
Okay, so I have to code digoxin. Date is today. Time is 1400 hour. Drug is digoxin, 125 micrograms. Reason is omitted for clinical reason as patient's heart rate is low. My name and signature is there. And the second one is Ramipril. I'm not gonna give this because it's invalid prescription. Code 6. I have date and signed it. And my patient was having pain, so I can give him cocodamol. Okay. I'll gel my hands again. I open the medicine trolley. Okay. I make sure that it was locked. And then now I need to open it. I opened it. I will look for a cocodamol tablet. Okay. Here's cocodamol. It's dry and intact. Expiry is 2025. Batch number is 0101. Okay. The right patient is Edward Bunting. The right medicine is cocodamol. Dose is 30 by 500 mg, 2 tablets. So I have to take 2 tablets from this. Route is per oral. And it's PRN medication. And patient's having pain. He asked for the pain medication. So I can give him. Doctor signature bleep number is there. So I've made sure that I follow the 6 R's while preparing this medication. And I'm happy to give this medicine to the patient. Okay. I'll make sure that my trolley has a BNF and a sharp bin including hand gel, and I'll take the prescription chart and my trolley to the patient. Hi Edward, I'm back.
Okay.
So you said you were having a pain, so
Yes.
I have a cocodamol for you, 2
Okay.
tablets. It will help you. It will help you with your pain. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any swallowing difficulties?
No.
No. Okay, Edward. Before I give you the medicine, I want to ask. Can you please confirm your details again
Edward Bunting,
and your date of birth?
1944.
Okay, and the hospital number is 0046678. Okay, and I'm gonna give you the tablet. Here is a glass of water.
Okay.
Have you swallowed the medication?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I'll make sure that I sign the medication. I documented it, and the rest I have coded it. Okay, I'll keep my trolley lock. Again, I didn't ask you for the allergies
No.
before giving the medication. So what were your allergies?
Augmentin.
Penicillin, you said.
Penicillin.
Penicillin and then rashes.
Yes.
You get rashes with that. Okay. So anyway, I haven't given you anything containing penicillin. Okay. And here is the call bell. In case you need me, you can just press the buzzer. Otherwise, you're comfortable.
Yes.
You don't have any concern for me.
No.
Okay. All right. I'll finish my procedure with the hand hygiene. I'll make sure my trolley is locked before I leave, and I clear up everything and keep it ready for the next user. Okay, so I've documented everything. Yeah, assessor, I'm done with my procedure. You can close the time for me.
How many minutes?
Thank
10
you.
minutes. Okay. 28 seconds.